because you are hardly 20,000 people gathered here this afternoon, but there are almost 2 million people who are not here to listen to our rally. I wish that our congressmen from Iloilo will see the picture of the many people who attended this rally for life. We are appealing to them, and our only message to them is, and this is my speech, I wish that they will see this message so that it is clear to them that this is the position of the people of Iloilo. Defend life, reject House Bill 4244. Defend human life. No to RH Bill 4244. All of you stand up now. Please stand and let us put our finger this way and this way. Yes tonight. Thank you very much.